How to change country in Taobao app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change country in Taobao app. In order to do so, first of all, open your Taobao application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, this will take you to your profile page. Now here you will be able to see the settings icon at the top right corner. Simply tap on the settings icon and then you will be taken to the settings page. Now here under this account and security option, you will be able to see country, region, language, currency option. Simply select this option and once you reach inside it, here you will be able to see the country or the region. Simply tap on the option at the very top and then from here, now you can select the country of your choice. Simply scroll down to find the one and once you get the one you would like to change to, simply tap on that country name in order to change. By doing so, a tick mark will appear at the right side of the country that you have chosen. And after that, tap on the confirm button at the very bottom to save the changes. And after that, you will be able to change the country. Once you have changed the country, the language will automatically change itself. So by following these steps, you should be able to change your country in Taobao app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.